Now it's not going to be small amounts here and there. I'm talking about big payments coming through like $260, $350, $820, all thanks to the power of this Google trick that I'm about to reveal to you in this video. Not many people actually know about this. In fact, those who know this trick are simply keeping it to themselves. I'm not sure why either, but as always, in this channel, we're all about learning and earning together, so allow me to share with you the best of what I know. The great thing is that this method is available in all countries in the world and pays out in many different payment options. This is also 100% free, which means there is no investment needed here at all. Stay tuned and watch until the very end to learn the secret Google trick and activate your first payment starting today. And more importantly, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell. First of all, I want you to go onto Google for step 1. Type in shrinkme.io and then press on enter. You're going to see the first website right here, ShrinkMe, the most trusted URL shortener network. Now when you click on this link, you'll be redirected to the actual website. And this is where I will be showing you how to earn $260 in just minutes. You have to follow my steps, and you have to use my Google trick in order to start making money fast. There are people making money every single minute, and I'm not exaggerating it at all. Let me show you some of the payment proofs on this website. Just take a look at this. Every single minute, people from all over the world are making money, and they're cashing out their earnings. Right over here, you can see hundreds and hundreds of real income proofs, and basically, this website is paying out on time every single day with no delay, and never misses a payment. They have many methods for you to cash out your earnings aside from the ones you can choose from, like bank transfer, PayPal, Skrill, Payza, or any form of cryptocurrency. In fact, comment down below and let me know what your country is and your preferred payment options as well. Now listen here. You have to follow these 3 easy steps to start making money. Number 1, you have to sign up for the free account. And number 2, you have to shorten a URL link and then you have to share that link somewhere else on the internet. And you don't have to worry because I'll show you exactly how to do that in just a moment. Number 3 is when you can start earning passive income of hundreds of dollars in just minutes once you set up the system correctly. If you don't watch the video all the way until the end, you risk missing out on key components and end up not making any money, or even worse, the money that you're being sent to might get stuck inside your account, which I really don't want that to happen to you. So stay tuned with me because I will guide you step by step. Now if you want to sign up for a free account, just go to the top right hand corner and you're going to see register. Just click on this link and then you just have to register for a brand new membership. Now get this, you will instantly get $1 for free once you sign up for a free account. This is a sign up bonus. And then once you make $5, you can begin to cash out your money. Once again, they pay off on a daily basis. This is exactly why I love this website, because you have to wait for weeks or even months to cash out on most other websites, which is kind of annoying. But here, they pay out daily almost instantly, and they cover a wide variety of different payment methods. In just a second, I'll teach you exactly how to make money right now by using my secret Google trick method starting today. But before that, let me quickly show you basically how everything works. In a nutshell, we'll go over to YouTube and we will find a video, a very specific video, and then we're going to get a URL link on that particular YouTube. And then we'll come back to the website and we will paste the link on this bar. After that, we'll just shorten this link right here, and this website will automatically help you to shorten this long URL link into a much shorter link. I'll show you the exact live demonstration in just a minute, but I'm just going to explain to you the basic concept and how it works so that you can have a better idea. Once the URL link is shortened, you can share this link to a different website. I'll show you my secret free traffic source to get a lot of clicks to your link. And every single time people click on your link, you're gonna make a lot of money. Let me show you a different payment rate that you will receive. Let's say when people from Greenland click on your link, you're going to earn $22 for every 1,000 clicks. And if you get people from the United States to click on your link, you earn $10. You're going to see different people from different countries clicking on your link, and you're earning a different rate each time. And that's the main reason why I'll show you this special Google trick that will get you a lot of people from Greenland to click on your link. And that's how to get the most amount of money, which is $22 in this case. So I'll cover how you can find the best video on YouTube, because if you find a bad video, you will not make a lot of money, and I'll teach you exactly how to find the best video for this, and then we're going to come onto the website to shorten the link. Once you get the shortened link, you will go on to Google and use a very special trick to multiply your money and make a lot of cold hard cash with this special method. I'm really excited to show you the entire strategy. If you are too, be sure to smash the like button, like this video, and subscribe to my channel. So here's my first tip. Right now, I want you to go over to YouTube. The best performing videos that I've ever seen are weight loss videos. When people want to learn how to get in shape or lose weight, they will totally go right onto YouTube and find videos they need for it. Now when you go there, you're going to type in weight loss video, and then you're going to click on this filter, and then you're going to click on this week. Now we have to get the video that is most viewed, most liked, most commented for this week, because there will be competition from others who have also been uploaded recently. As you can see here, this one was uploaded a while ago, along with these other videos. You're gonna find the best performing videos. For example, this one right here has a lot of views, so what you want to do now is to just click on this video to open, and then on top of that, you can see the URL link of this specific video. Go ahead and highlight the entire link to copy. We're gonna go back to shrinkme.io, and then we're gonna paste the link right here on this tab. And once you paste the link, you just have to click on this button, and they will automatically give you a shortened URL link. As you can see here, just copy this link, set it aside as we're about to use it later on. Moving on to the next step, we're gonna go to google.com and look for different famous forums, particularly weight loss forums. Just pay close attention and follow me along to see everything. So right now, just type in the keyword weight loss forum, and then you're going to press on search. Now when you use this strategy, you're going to find a lot of different forums where you can share the link, because people who usually want to lose weight, they're going to hang around on different forums, joining on different discussions and finding different tips to lose weight. They're the ones we are trying to target to click on your shortened link. And what you have to do right now is that you are going to join in on any of these forums. This one is a good example, and this is just one of the many forums I want to show you. You can find hundreds of different forums by just simply using Google. Be sure to stay tuned for this Google trick to get a lot of people from Greenland to click on your link so you can make the most amount of money fast. If you get people from, let's say, Sweden for example, you earn around $5. If you get people from Greenland, you can make 2 to 4 times more money, which is obviously better, and I'll show you exactly how to do that in just a moment. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Now let's go back to the website. Usually, you can sign up and register for free once you go onto the forums. For example, this one. Just click on the register button and then go on to fill all your information. Simply put in your username and then sign up for an account, and you can repeat the same thing on many different forums. The more forums that you join, the more links that you can share out there, and the more people you get to click on your link. So now here's the question. How can you focus and find more people from Greenland, Ireland, or even from the United States so we can earn money? That's a problem, you see. You can get people from other different countries to click on your link as well, which is not bad at all because you will still make money if you choose this method. So here comes the secret tactic that I want to show you right now. When you do different searches on Google, what you are going to do is that you can click on settings. You'll find the advanced search. Just click on that, and then right here, you can see this region. We just have to filter them to Greenland. For example, I'm going to search for Greenland, so it's right here. Click on that and then click on this advanced search button. And by doing that, you can find a lot of forums specifically in Greenland. And then you can just repeat the same methods on how you can get a lot of targeted people from Greenland to click on your link. But again, unfortunately, the forum that's available in Greenland is very limited. That's why the second best thing that you can do is to focus on Ireland, or the United States as well. Once again, you can just go back to Google and just go to the settings, click on advanced settings and then advanced search, and over region. Just find the United States and you can repeat the same method again and again. This is 100% legal, and you won't get punished or penalized because you are not reposting or re-uploading other people's videos. You're just simply using different weight loss videos on YouTube. In fact, they are gonna love it because when you share this to other people, they will get more views and they're actually pretty happy about it. This is one of the method to use Google trick because you can get a very focused and specialized location to make more money at this rate by here. But again, you can use a lot of different methods to share this link. You can share this link on YouTube, for example. You can share this on the YouTube comment section or on Facebook or different social media that you have. Remember that the more people who click on your link, the more money you're going to make. So this is exactly how all of these people are making real money from all over the world. And that's it. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell. Smash the like button and I'll see you in the next video.